Danny Hayasaka with Yealink, helping people do their business better. And today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the brand new Yealink BH72 with charging stand. And this is a Microsoft Teams certified device. So let's just get into it. Alright, so let's take a look inside and see what we've got. So let's open up the box here, and first we'll start with the Yealink BH72 Lite Quick Start Guide. And then we have the, looks like a charging stand. This is a charging stand for the BH72 headset. Let's pull this guy out of here and see if there's anything else inside this box. Oh, alright, let's get this little guy out of here. So let's take a look. And this appears to be the AC charger. So this is a AC power adapter for the charging stand. So we'll go put that off to the side. There's nothing else in the box. So we'll go ahead and just get this guy out of the way. So let's take a look inside. So here is the BH72 headset, not to be confused with the BH72 Lite because they are different. Here is the location of the little BT51 dongle. There's a nice little slot for it in there. You see that? Alright, let's see what else is in here. And then we have another USB charging cable for the actual headset itself if you're not using the charging stand. And again, nice little case. It's great for hybrid work. So let's take a look at the headset itself. You see this, the speakers turn all the way around, but I just wanted to share this with you. See, take a look at that little Qi charging symbol there. That's letting you know that you can charge this headset wirelessly. You do not need to connect any cables into it, and look at the retractable microphone there. But anyway, that is what you get inside the box. Alright, so here we go. Let's do a quick overview of the brand new BH72. This is a BH72 and this is a BH72 Lite. I wanted to show the difference here. So a primary difference between the Lite and the standard BH72 headset: you cannot wirelessly charge the BH72 Lite, where the standard BH72 headsets you can charge. So this is the one we just unboxed, and you see it's sitting on its charger. So I'm trying to show you how you would set this down. So it's got the little wireless charging, and you just set that guy down there for charging. Now just FYI, when it's hanging like this, it is not charging. Let's talk about these guys. So the MSRP of the BH72 with the charging stand comes in at $289. It will give you connectivity to your PC via that dongle, the BT51 dongle, and your mobile device via Bluetooth 5.0. 35 hours of talk time, up to 40 hours of music time, wireless charging time of 2.5 hours or 2.5 hours. Again, it does not have active noise canceling, but it does have passive noise canceling. So when you put these on, you can tell a difference. So anyway, this was just a quick unboxing video, a quick overview video. They are Microsoft Teams certified. They do have a dedicated Microsoft Teams button on the actual headset, but we will be doing a more, our traditional mic test videos once Yealink gives us the okay. They're claiming they're going to send out some new firmware, and they just want to make sure that these headsets have the latest and greatest software and firmware updates. I have been using these for a while, or at least this guy here. You see it's got a little, I don't know, green little stick. I don't know what that means, but the production models don't have that. So Yealink has a full line of audio and video solutions for personal and group use. So if you are interested in Yealink solutions for your business, feel free to reach out to us. All our contact information is going to be in the description box below. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below. Let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.